Oh, look at Teddy, girls. Clea, don't eat that. That's Teddy's dirty toy. Look at Teddy, girls.
Isn't that cool, Megan? Whoa! Gotta keep them directed away from the babies. Of course, they want to catch them anyway. Here's another one.
Teddy's had enough.
Is Teddy getting tired, girls? Oh, Megan, I mean, Claire. Oh, she okay? Yeah, she's alright. I still have this in my hand, just trying to get that from her.
What's Teddy doing, Megan?
Whee!
Yay, Teddy got it.
Yay!